पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। Join Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat.
Good day everyone. The Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board or KSEAB has officially announced the SSLC Class 10 results for the academic year 2024 to 2025. Students across the state can now check their results online through the official websites. They are kseab.karnataka.gov.in and karresults.nic.in. Let's begin with the toppers list. Rupa Patil from Government Composite PU College in Belagavi district has emerged as the state topper this year. She is joined by Shagufta Anjum from Uttara Kannada, Akhila Ahmed from Vijaypura and C. Bhavna from Bengaluru Rural, all among the top performers. In a remarkable achievement, 22 students across the state have scored full marks, 625 out of 625. This includes Rupa Patil, C. Bhavna, Shagufta Anjum and several others from various districts. Their dedication and hard work are truly inspiring. The pass percentage for regular freshers stands at 66.14%, while the overall pass percentage including private candidates is recorded at 62.34%. Although there's a slight drop compared to previous years, the performance of fresh candidates remains strong. The district-wise performance puts Dakshin Kannada at the top with a pass percentage of 91.12%, followed by Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Shivamogga and Kodagu. These districts have consistently performed well in the SSLC exams. Over 55,000 students have scored above 90%, placing them in the A+ grade. The largest group falls in 60 to 69% range, showing balanced performance across the board. Here's a quick look at the grade-wise distribution. Girls have once again outperformed boys this year. While 74% of girls cleared this exam, only 58.07% of boys managed to pass. This trend continues to highlight the growing academic achievements of female students in Karnataka. Urban schools performed slightly better this year with a pass percentage of 67.05% out of more than 3,35,000 students who appeared from the urban areas. Over 2,24,000 have successfully passed. To check the results, visit the official Karnataka board websites. They are kseab.karnataka.gov.in and karresults.nic.in. Students can also access their mark sheets via DigiLocker and through SMS services. Don't forget to keep your registration number ready. So, congratulations to all the students who appeared for the SSLC exams this year, whether you passed with flying colors or learned something valuable next time. Your journey matters. Best wishes for your future endeavors and thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Jagna Joshi.